Welcome back to the channel, guys. A little spray gun unboxing and review for you is the A&I R160T 1.2 mil. Let's get started. Alright, so let's get the box open here and have a look inside. First thing we have the owner's and operator manual. Some very important information in this owner's operator manual. Most people, when they do an unboxing, they just toss this information to the side. But there is some important information. You have disassembly drawing, and over here tells you the model of the gun, what the spray pressure is, which this particular gun, it says the recommended spray pressure is 31.9 psi, and it is going to consume with the HPS air cap 4.24 CFM of air. So that's very important. Very important. Next thing is warranty. The serial number of the gun is on the warranty, and that same serial number is on this gun, this one right here. Okay, and basically throw a stamp on that, fill out the information, and mail it to Italy. Now, the thing is, I read through the warranty. The way I understand it is the gun is warranted for 1 year against defective parts. Now, it also says that you're responsible for shipping it to Italy. You're responsible for paying the technician to replace the defective part and the return. So, there is a warranty. I wouldn't say that is a great warranty myself, but nonetheless, it's a warranty. Now, moving on, a little important notice, a little disclaimer, and it says this gun has been tested with dark paint at the factory for quality purposes. So if you disassemble this gun for the first time and you clean it, and you find dark paint inside of it, it is because it has been factory tested. Now, I'm not sure if any other manufacturer does that for you. But we have a look at the gun here. Very nice looking gun. It is a downscaled version, by the looks of it, of the F160, which I've done a unboxing and review on in the past. So controls are in the same place. Your fan and your fluid and your air control. Now, very nice little gun, fits nice in the hand. Stiff trigger, but nonetheless a very nice gun. So let's take the air cap off and have a look. In there. You can see many small holes in the fluid tip. And that would result in some very nice equal pressure behind the cap, making for a very nice spray, one would guess. We will find out. Now, the air cap itself, a simple brass cap. Many holes here in the air cap compared to other mini guns. Usually there's only a single hole in the air horn here. And no holes in the face beside the fluid tip opening. So a very nice little cap. Now, it appears with all those holes. This is basically, I think I mentioned, looks like a downscaled version of the bigger gun, the F160. Okay. So what else you get in the box? You're gonna get in the box here a cup. Of course, this is looks like a 500 milliliter cup. nice top on it, quarter turn. Nice quarter turn on that. I don't like to fiddle around with the lid on the cup. On and off very quickly and effectively. And a breather on the top. Now this breather is a little different than I've seen before. It has a corkscrew style stem on it that goes down in the top of the cup. Possibly that is to keep paint from finding its way out through the vent. Very nice little cup. And keep going here. We have a typical wrench, and of course a cleaning kit. We have a coarse brush, and inside this little capsule we have some finer brushes. So this gun looks like I said, just like the R160, and hopefully it sprays just as well. Okay, I just mentioned there's still a little bit of thinners in the gun. I'm at full fluid, full fan, and 30 psi on the gauge. Look at the size of this fan, guys. Absolutely massive. Now, this tank was just about ready to go. All I had to do was hit some of the metal cut throughs with some Transtar 2-in-1 aerosol. You see me do that time and time again. Now the tank now is at approximately 75 degrees on the front, but you know, 70 degrees on the side here. That's pretty good, not bad. This temperature is not going to last long. You know, the garage isn't insulated. I got to keep the heater running off and on. So I'm going to do my best to get this painted for you guys. So I'm going to get some paint in the gun, start spraying. All right, so far so good. Not a bad little first coat there. I'm using fast reducer because of the fluctuation in the temperature in here. Looks like it's the metallics are laying down pretty nice. They're quite sparkly, which is the way it should be. Looks like a very nice fine atomization going on here on the paper. Like I say, I'll let that cure up for a few minutes, and then I'll knock on a couple more coats, come back and show you what it looks like. Now, I laid down a total of 3 coats of that Ford Blue Steel. I believe that's what it's called, or Steel Blue. Base coat. It looks like it laid down really quite nice. Quite happy with the performance of this gun so far. I did make a minor adjustment over here. I turned the fluid in a 1/2 of a turn from full open, and it seems to have helped the way that the gun sprays. So the pattern looked a little nicer here on the wall. Okay, so I'm going to let this set up for probably about half an hour, because like I say, I'm maintaining heat in the garage here with the heater behind me here. So the longer it shut off, the cooler it gets. Okay, so when I come back, I'll be spraying some clear. Looks pretty good. It's hard to tell on that paper. Definitely get a nice bit of film build there. Okay, I gave the part quick tack off.
And I'm going to run the same setup for the clear as I did the base. Straight out on the wall, all right. So let's do it. Definitely laying down a very nice, nice wet coat here. Very nice atomization for sure. Really liking this, guys. So there's one quick coat of the clear on there. Hopefully didn't miss too much of this. Hard to get around this stand, okay? That looks really good. I'm gonna leave that and then come back in about 10 minutes and give it another nice wet coat.
Okay, it's been almost 10 minutes. This is flowed out, looks really nice. It's almost a shame to put another coat on it. It went so well. But temperature check here, 60 degrees we've dropped to in 10 minutes. So we dropped 10 degrees in 10 minutes. Yeah, we're about 60 degrees. This is why I'm running the fast, okay? I run fast reducer and I'm running fast hardener in the clear. Yeah, our part is down to 60 degrees here. Do a string test on the back here. Yeah, that's just about perfect. So get my mask on and give this another hit.
Okay, I'm going to leave that just like that.
All right, guys, it's been 24 hours after I shot that second coat of clear. I turned the heat back on, and then after about an hour, it hardened up a bit, and then I moved it into the heated storage room. So it's been 24 hours. Let's take it outside and have a look at it. Cold out again today. Let's have a look here. Look at that. That, guys, that's a thing of beauty right there. Nice paint job. So there you have it, guys. The A&I R160 spray gun. Hope you enjoyed the video. And as always, till the next one, peace.